Hello everyone. Today I prepared two classic games, especially it will be useful for the beginners to understand basic chess principles and what will happen if we violate these principles. Okay, I choose games of Power Morphy that will show us how should we play chess in attack and how can we punish our opponents for the mistakes. So white develop pieces, attack the center, black also attack the center, develop pieces, so one piece, one move, remember. White develop bishop on a very active position, so here bishop attack this at the center and even attack square f7. Bishop c5, black also develop pieces, everything is right, and before sacrifice pawn, we already saw it in previous videos. Now white push black to move the piece to east. They already will be violent principles, and even after bishop before they push black to move piece again, and white will attack the center. Besides this, also it will this moves open diagonal a3 f8 and a2 g8. Like now in many variations, white bishop can move to a3 and don't allow king to castle, and queen also can jump to b3 and attack square f7. So bishop c5, d4, castle. So white make a castle as soon as possible. They don't rush with d4. They will do it in next move. Knight f6. Everything okay. Black develop pieces. d4. And now white attack the center. Perfect. First attack the center. From the center attack the king. Takes. Bishop b4. So and again bishop moves maybe bishop c5, bishop b4, bishop c5, bishop b4 third time. So this is big problem for the black. e5, and now white attack in the center, getting the space, and also they push another piece move second time, knight e4. Let's see what will happen. Bishop d5. Yes, white move piece second time, but they simultaneously attack the knight, and there is no good move for this knight. An example, if only move knight c3, but in this case after knight c3, bishop c3, white can play queen b3, sacrifice the rook and start to attack the king. Bishop f7. If king is 7, bishop g5 and to win the queen. So king f8 and bishop g5. Yes, and after knight e7, so white simply can take back bishop or continue to try to attack with so if they simply take the bishop back, they have very strong attack here still. Okay, and the piece is so active. So Cap de Ville decided to move bishop c3 with counter-attack, attack the rook, but Morphy don't care about the rook, just sacrifice it. Bishop a1, bishop g5, immediately attack queen, and now there is no way, no good way to protect. If knight e7, knight will be pinned and the position will be too passive, and if f6, king will be opened, and e line will be opened, ef, gf. How do you think how to continue to attack here for white? You can take a pause and find the Morphy's move. He played bishop c6 with the idea to open line for the rook, and also remove defender from the square e5. D takes c, rook e1, attack the king, so rook move to the open line, king f7, and take a pause and find combination for the white, how to continue attack. Knight e5. Now black cannot take fe because bishop takes d8. King g7, take one more pause and think how to play for the white. Okay, I hope you could find bishop h6, and after king h6, king f7, so fork, there will be fork. And in case king g8, there will be in case king g8, there will be queen b3. And after queen d5, there will be, what will be? I'm questioning you. Yeah, alright, there will be queen g3. And after bishop g4, queen g4, checkmate. Okay, king h6 must take, but white simply win the queen. Knight f7, king d7, knight d8, rook d8. Oh, sorry. Here is already enough for win. Yes, it could. The game could finish, but let us see how virtuously Paul Morphy continued to attack the king. Yes, how easy he can bring pieces to the king. Queen h5, rook d7, knight d2, bring knight to the attack, rook f7, rook a1, take the bishop. It was better, of course, for the black to move their bishop out of attack, like bishop d4. Of course, it's not necessary to give up bishop here, but okay. Let's see how it continued. Rook e1, again bring rook. Rook e3, that's a standard. A rook move on the third rank to attack the king from g3 or h3. Knight e4, now bring knight closer to the king. And knight f6, he doesn't worry about g2 pawn. Rook g2, king f1, simply. Rook g7, because white threat queen h7 checkmate. Rook e8. Knight and rook is powerful in attack, but that is not enough, so they cannot checkmate itself. What need to do? Alright, bring more pawn to attack, h6, and now Morphy saw he can checkmate. Quite interesting, queen f8 and h5, and knight g8, and now after rook g8, queen h6 checkmate. So game continued with king h7, but knight f6, king h6. I show you till the checkmate to see this perfect technique how he checkmate by quickest way. Okay, hope you could enjoy this game of Power Morphy, and I take another game. How important to develop pieces quicker. How important, yes, quick development, g5. So that is king's gambit. White sacrificed the pawn, and black decided to grasp it. And let's see what will happen of that. White developed one more piece, and black decided to attack the knight. But white attacked the center, developed bishop, and sacrificed their knight. Gf, take the knight, queen f3. So white not simply sacrifice their pawn here, they sacrifice their knight and just continue development. That is amazing example how important mobilization in the early stage in the openings. d6, develop bishop, castle, and now rook also start to attack on the f line. Bishop e6, d5, don't trade pieces when you attack. Bishop c8, so look on the black pieces, they not active, and look on the white pieces, rook in attack, bishop in attack, queen in attack. Now this bishop and also will join, and pawns in the center. Bishop f4, queen d7, queen also block on pieces, but how to protect square f7 now, because white trade something like bishop e5 and queen f7 checkmate, and if an example knight h6 to protect f7 pawn, is simply bishop h6 and queen f7 checkmate. Next move. So they decided to play bishop d7, and take a pause. How do you play here for the white? I hope you all find move e5. Of course, if you have advantages in development, so you need to open the center. Remember this principle. If your opponent's king in the center, so open the center. e5, of course. Queen g4, trade the queens, but Morphy don't allow queen e3 and put a queen on one line with the king. Bishop e7, takes, rook e1, you put more pressure on the pinned piece. h5, bishop d6, now trade bishop e7, queen d7, and take a pause and find here, maybe after, oh sorry I show you maybe already answer, but okay, bishop e7, knight e7. So try to find here for the black or for the white solution, how to win here. I will help you. White need to use pin. Okay, bishop b5, and here is a very good example about pin. We already passed this topic, and so here is king pinned, and also queen also pinned. So if queen will take to bishop, white can simply checkmate. So thank you so much. Make sure you activate all your pieces in openings, and don't move your pieces too easy. Don't take pawns in the opening. Pay more attention to develop your pieces, and think about your opponent's threats and create threats and attack yourself. Bye bye.